Hi, I'm Master Plumber and Lead Green Associate Ed Del Grande, and today I'm going to show you how to install Sterling's Ensemble Medley Bath and Shower Surround. Now before you get started, make sure you read the instructions carefully and then gather up all the tools and materials that you'll need, and also follow your local codes. The bath and surround needs to be installed on a properly leveled subfloor. Now, if the floor is not even, you can always use shims, and if shims are not an option, you can use a 1 to 2 inch bed of mortar. Start off by installing a stud pocket like we have here, and this is where the bath and shower surround will be installed. Now, to make sure you get the correct measurements, just follow the rough-in instructions that come with the unit. Determine the location of your mixing valve and install the rough plumbing. As you can see, we've done this step. Now, the next step would be to get the bath and install the drain and overflow to the bath using the instructions that came with the drain kit. Locate the felt pad if it came with the unit and stretch it out and secure it to the floor. Now, make sure the pad goes securely underneath the support feet of the tub. If a pad is not provided, you can use a 1 to 2 inch bed of mortar. With the felt pad secured, you can see I cut a hole in the pad to accommodate the drain hole. You know, with this step done, this job is taking shape already. Here's an important step. Before you slide the bath into place, locate the apron braces and make sure they're on there good and tight. Now, these look great, so I can slide the bath into the alcove. Once the bath is properly in place, locate the metal clips and attach them to the bath flange. Now, for the precise location of these clips, check your rough-in instructions. Once you have determined that the unit is level, secure the metal support clips to the studs with water-resistant screws. Complete this step by bending the tabs over the flange. Locate the plastic clips and attach them to the bath flange on all the remaining studs. Once in place, secure with water-resistant screws. Remember, when installing the unit, shim where necessary to keep everything straight and level. And also have some protection for the floor of the bath. You could use a pad like I have here, or even a liner. But once the bath is secured to the studs, you can make your final drain connections, then move on to the surround itself. Position the back panel of the surround against the wall and insert the tabs into the slots. This Sterling Ensemble Medley is really coming together. So now we can move on to drilling the holes for our mixing valve and bath spout. Measure the location of the mixing valve and bath spout. Now transfer those measurements to the end wall where the plumbing is located. We use tape to prevent any unwanted scratches, and it helps to make it easier to mark. Now drill the holes to the correct size. You'll notice that the side panels on the Ensemble Medley have an innovative seal, making it completely caulk-free. Just make sure the seal is in place, not damaged, and sits completely inside the wall. Next, we're going to install the side panels. Hold each against the wall and engage the pins in the slots. Confirm that the front edges are flush. The gap on the front edges should not exceed 1/32 of an inch, or about the thickness of a credit card. Secure the flanges to the studs. To do so, begin at the bottom and install the water-resistant screws through the dimples. Insert shims if needed and secure the side panel to the studs along the top. Because we're installing a bath and shower surround, it's important to use water-resistant wallboard in the surrounding area. Then you can install your finished wall material. We're in the home stretch. Now's the time to trim out your mixing valve and bath spout. Just make sure you fill in any open areas with caulking. Once the walls are finished and painted, make sure you seal completely around the surround with 100% silicone sealant. Now the installation of the Sterling Ensemble Medley is complete. And just like the name says, it's a great combination of comfort, strength, and style.